Everything you see is a trap. Not obvious, not loud, subtle. The phone in your pocket, the shoes on your feet, the feed you scroll without thinking. None of it is random. It's designed, carefully, to keep you exactly where you are, consuming. Because if you stay in that state, you'll spend your entire life earning money only to give it back, again and again and again. Most people never question it. They just live inside it. But a small group steps outside. They don't work harder. They don't just save more. They see something others don't. A shift, quiet, invisible. But once it clicks, everything changes. Look at your day. Really look at it. You wake up and reach for content. You step outside and reach for products. You come back home and reach for entertainment. It feels normal, routine, harmless. But underneath that routine, something else is happening. Every moment you spend consuming, someone else is producing. While you watch, they earn. While you scroll, they grow. While you buy, they profit. You move, they compound. And you don't notice it because the system is invisible. It doesn't force you. It guides you, quietly, taking a little bit of your time, a little bit of your attention, a little bit of your money, every single day. This is the invisible tax, not something written on paper, something built into behavior. You pay it every time you choose to watch instead of create. Because the world, at its core, is divided into two groups, those who produce and those who consume. Consumers see something trending and think, I need that. Producers see the same thing and think, how can I build this? Same opportunity, different lens, different result. One side chases dopamine, quick rewards, fast hits, temporary highs, and ends up empty. The other side builds slowly, quietly, layer by layer, like a snowball, small at first, then gaining weight, momentum, control, freedom. Look at your bank statement. The names repeat over and over. Companies you've been feeding, money flowing out, never returning. You're funding systems that were built by producers while staying a consumer. And it feels normal because everyone around you is doing the same thing. But normal isn't neutral. Normal is a path, a predictable one. 40 years of work for moments of freedom, a lifetime of effort for a limited return. So how do you step off that path? Not by rejecting everything, not by going extreme, but by shifting direction, slightly, consistently. You change the ratio. For every hour you consume, you create twice as much. Not perfectly, not from day one, but intentionally. You stop just absorbing and start expressing. Stop watching and start building. Stop waiting and start testing. Because the moment you create, you step into a different game. Wealth doesn't chase you. It responds to value. And value comes from creation. At first, it feels slow, almost invisible, like nothing is happening. It's quiet work, lonely work, misunderstood work. People will question it, why you're not out, why you're focused, why you're obsessed. But time reveals everything. Because while others consume the present, you're shaping the future. And that difference compounds. The system doesn't want you to notice this. It thrives on attention, on distraction, on repetition. But the moment you become aware, you stop reacting. You start choosing. And that's when control shifts. Because once you see the pattern, you can't ignore it. You don't have to stay where you are. You don't have to follow the loop. You can step out, one decision at a time. The loop ends when you stop consuming without thinking and start building with intention. And if something in this made you pause, subscribe. Because most people will hear this and go back to the feed. But the few who don't, they build something different. And over time, that difference becomes everything. I'll see you in the next one.